I've inherited a spreadsheet where someone typed in text for dates, but I can't use those in formulas. So I need to convert this to an actual date. On the formula bar, the FX button displays the formula builder, and it has a list of all the functions available. I'll drag this into the spreadsheet, and I can scroll through a list of all the functions, or instead, in the search box, I'll type date. I think date value is the function I'm looking for, and it does give me a brief description of the date value function toward the bottom of the formula builder. I'll choose Insert Function, and it starts writing the formula for me. Now I'll point to cell B2, which is a value I want converted. I'll click Done and close the formula builder, but it formats it as a number. So I'll change it to short date. I'll copy it down, and I've quickly converted text to dates.